Hey guys, welcome back to Paracord Planet. Today we're going to be making the Lattice chain bracelet. It uses 95 cord and the square knot, but in a little bit different way than you're used to. The inspiration for this project came from a YouTuber named Mumu. We'll put a link to her channel in the description, so definitely go check that out and subscribe to her too. So what you'll need for this project is 10 feet of 95 cord and a ruler. Let's dive in. To start off, we're going to be cutting 4 lengths of 95 cord at 2 feet apiece. Then you can go ahead and bunch them together. Line up all those ends. And then we're going to be tying an overhand knot in all of it, about 4 inches from the end. After that, we're going to start with the square knot. So take 2 of the cords and move them out to the side, the other 2 in the middle. Put 1 cord over the top, like this, the other cord over that one, but then around the back and up through this loop. Pull that tight, and we'll do the mirror image of that knot. So now the left side over the top, right side straight down over that, around the back, and up through the left loop. You can tighten that one down as well. Here's where it gets different from the normal cobra weave. We're going to take our outside cords, put them over the top of our inside cords to the middle. So you've got kind of a heart shape there. Then we're going to go ahead and do the same thing that we've been doing, except these now outside cords are going to be the ones that we tie the knot in. So right side over the top, left side over around the back, and through the loop. And we don't tighten this one all the way down. We're going to leave about a 1/2 inch gap in between that and our last knot. Then the opposite again, left over, right around and behind. And this one we'll tie and tighten right up against our last one. Make sure all of your cords are about the same length so that your weave looks all even. So now we'll repeat that process again. Take our outside cords over the top of the middle cords, and starting with the right, we'll do 1 more square knot. So go ahead and keep on repeating this pattern until you get about 5 to 6 inches of weave. All right, so in our 5 to 6 inches, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 square knots. If you have a little bit smaller of a wrist, you can do less or more if you have a bigger one. But now we're just going to finish it off like we started it, with an overhand knot. So take all 4 of those, and tie them together, and just slide that right down to your last square knot. You might have to pull each cord individually to tighten it down properly. There we go. Now on each side we're going to pick 2 of the cords. We've got 4 coming out the end, so we're just going to pick 2 of them and cut them. So I'm going to cut these 2 cords just almost right up at the knot. And then take a lighter and just melt the ends a little bit. This paracord is made out of nylon, so it will melt, and you just pat it down with the lighter, and then your knot won't come undone. Same thing on the other side. And then with your remaining 2 cords, go out about 3 inches or so, 2 to 3 inches, and do an overhand knot in just those 2 cords. And then that same distance on your other side, do the same thing. Then you can trim the ends of those cords as well and melt them. All right, so we're almost done. We just need to make the closure. To do that, take one of your spare pieces of paracord if they're long enough, or take that last 2 feet that you didn't use at the end, and then overlap your 2 cords on each end, and we're just going to be doing a little bit of square knotting over the top of that. So put your cord underneath all 4 of those cords, and then just do the square knot like we did before, except we're not going to be switching inside outside. So right over the top. And then left. You can do about 2 or 3 completed square knots. I'm going to stop after 2 and trim my ends there. There we go. So now how this works is it works as an adjustable closure with your cord sliding through the middle. So you can get it over your wrist and then tighten it down. Like we said at the beginning of this video, this project idea came from YouTuber Moo, so you can definitely check out her channel. We'll put a link in the description, along with links to where you can find this 95 paracord and other crafting supplies. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, hit the like button and be sure to subscribe. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. You got a burp coming. Okay, we're good. It's not going in the bloopers.
We have the audio. You're not sure of the bloopers.
I will delete that video. Really should have painted my nails today. Not exactly the color I'd usually wear, but